2020 is now in full swing at Disney World, but all I really want to know is, will you be attending this year or next year for its 50th anniversary? In today's video we're going to be discussing all the new and biggest attractions that will be opening in 2021 across Disney World, including a few tips and tricks that may or may not help you around the parks. So welcome to this new adventure. So hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Disney D Vlogs and I'm Dave. In the last video we discussed some of the biggest openings across Disney World in 2020. But in this video we're going to be moving on to 2021, specifically towards the back end of the year around the 50th anniversary. Disney's expecting it to be a huge year as some of the biggest rides like Tron Legacy and Guardians of the Galaxy are going to be opening. Crowd levels are going to be absolutely astronomical, so make sure you get those reservations in. If you're already planning to go 2021, then here's a few tips for you. So prepare for huge crowds and wait times on both Standby and FastPass Plus. A lot of new rides are opening throughout this year, so make sure you plan ahead and book your reservations accordingly. If you're staying with Disney, you can do this in your My Disney Experience app 60 days in advance. Anyone else staying off-site can do this in 30 days. Plan your days around your fast passes to get on the rides. Same applies with your dining reservations. You can book these 180 days in advance whether you're on-site or off-site. If you don't manage to get a fast pass for a ride, then don't be disheartened. Get to the park at road drop or try getting on the ride when the park is closing. We got on Slinky Dog Dash 3 times in the space of an hour back in 2019 at the end of the night and an hour before Hollywood Studios closed. You can also check your app for openings, and this happens pretty regular. Once you use all your fast passes up, you're able to book one after another throughout the day if they become available. Please also be aware that you get up to an hour after your reservation time on any ride to give you a chance to get there. Trust me when I say that sometimes it's harder than you think. Where dining reservations are concerned, if you are booked and you are late, you will be charged a flat rate to your card. You are granted a bit of grace in time if you are late, usually no more than 10 to 15 minutes. Also, free dining drops for most Disney resorts for the following year, usually around April time, but dates can vary. So keep an eye out for that in your My Disney Experience app this year for next year's dining. However, this doesn't include value resorts, so if you don't want to worry about food as part of your budget in 2021, then that is your best option. So moving on to the Skyliner now. This new mode of free transportation is now in full operation, and with that Disney has cut bus run times down to every hour to every resort the Skyliner is stationed at. Art of Animation Hotel, Pop Century Resort, the Riviera, Caribbean Beach. So we advise you to make use of this new faster, cleaner and free mode of transportation whilst attending Hollywood Studios or Epcot. If anything, I think you will find it to be more enjoyable and relaxing. We all know that Disney World on a whole raises their pricing yearly, but we have seen a few things go up in price a couple of times back in 2019, and we are certain this is going to happen right through this year into 2021. So make sure you are prepared for this, as some things can become pretty expensive. I'd advise that you check in and around Disney World, as you may find something you really want cheaper. So my final tip of the day guys, make sure the Memory Maker is part of your package. For those of you that don't know what the Memory Maker is, this is part of the My Disney Experience app. It will allow you to get imagery from rides, with characters and with cast members. If you're on rides, they will automatically upload through your Magic Band. If you're with a cast member or a character, they will scan your Magic Band and it will go on within the next 20 minutes to half an hour. These images will then go into your My Disney Experience app, where you can access them to download them up to 3 months after they're uploaded. These are high resolution images and there is no limit on how many that you can get. So please make sure this is part of your package because it is really worth it, and I can contest to that. So that's it guys, there's a few tips and tricks for you to help you around Disney World. Let's move on to what's new in 2021, shall we? And heading into the Magic Kingdom first, the biggest project there right now is the Tron roller coaster. The Tron roller coaster is located in Tomorrowland just at the side of Space Mountain and could cause quite a few closures throughout 2020. In addition to the Tron coaster opening, there are a few other aesthetic changes occurring in Tomorrowland to help the coaster blend into the existing land. We anticipate several new pieces of entertainment and attraction overlays being announced soon for the 50th anniversary. Moving over into Epcot, and the Marvel Heroes will soon be coming to the pavilion formerly occupied by Ellen's Energy Adventure. The Guardians of the Galaxy have already taken over Disney California Adventure with Mission Breakout in the Old Tower of Terror space. Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind is a roller coaster with vehicles that rotate 360 degrees and can do a reverse launch. Further details about this ride are tightly under wraps, but it's expected to be opening in time for the 50th anniversary. If you'd like to live in a galaxy far, far away in Hollywood studios, soon you'll be able to do so. The long-hyped and awaited Star Wars themed hotel called the Star Wars Galactic Star Cruiser will open in 2021. Organised like a cruise, this 2-day experience will take you on board the Halcyon Star Cruiser, where you'll participate in various Star Wars themed activities, sleep in a room with views of the galaxy, and visit the outer rim planet of Batuu. So that's it, guys. Thanks ever so much for watching today's video. I hope I've helped you make your mind up. Are you going to be going to Disney World this year or next year for the 50th anniversary? Drop me a comment below and let me know. If you think I deserve it, please head on over to my channel, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest in Disney news, and you'll be sure to catch us on our next adventure. Cheers, guys.